Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sign up for a Telegram account on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Telegram account on our phone, first open up your Telegram app after downloading and installing it on your device, and let's open it. And on this interface will be over here. Now in order to proceed, tap on start messaging and let's tap on continue, and you'll be required to end accepting all of your permissions required by the Telegram. And let's go and search for our country. And after that, guys, enter your phone number over here and tap on the arrow icon at the right side of the screen and tap on continue and tap on allow again. And momentarily a code will be sent to you on your phone number via message, so wait for that verification code. And you can see, guys, we have been verified. Now we'll be required to enter our name. Let's fill up the details required by the Telegram. You can add a profile picture, or you can do it everything or customize your Telegram account later on from over here, and grant all of the permissions required by Telegram on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to sign up for a Telegram account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.